So in this video I'm going to show you how to set a timer schedule for your heating and also your hot water. So to do that, you click on the three buttons here, click on it again, and then you want to go into your control, which is the top of your three options on here. Once you're in here, you've got your zone 1, which is your heating zone. You might also have a zone 2 or even a zone 3, which are just your different heating zones. If you click into that, you then want to go on your heating option. So then once you're in here, you've got mode. So there's two things you can have on mode. You can have timer control or you can have manual. If it's on manual, that means it will just try and maintain the temperature you've got set all the time. So if we click on manual, you can then see my desired temp is 20.5. So the heat pump will try and maintain that temperature in your house. But if you want to go onto a timer control option, you just scroll up here. And then you can go into a weekly planner and start changing some settings. So if I go onto one of these, I've currently got 6 AM till 8 PM set at 20 degrees. What I can do is I can change that from 6 till 9, let's say, and I want that at 21 degrees. And then I can go and add other time periods. So I could then say from 9 o'clock I'm at work all day, coming home at 6 o'clock. So from 6 o'clock until I go to bed at 10, I want it at 21 also. And then I can copy those settings to all the other days I want. So for example, just copy that to Tuesday. So then if we scroll back, so I can now see on Monday and Tuesday I've got those time settings that I set, and all the other days I would have the ability to do that. And you can add many more options than just twos if you want a midday setting or middle of the night setting, or however you want to do it. In the periods where you don't have your temperature set, so in this case between 9 and 6, what it will do, it will revert back to your set back temperature, which is set here, but you could also increase that. So you could have that a couple of degrees below what you're having your sort of heating temperature of 21, you could have that at 19 degrees. So then in the periods where you don't have a time schedule set, it will revert back to that 19 degrees. So in this case it's during the middle of the day and overnight, and in this case it would just be overnight on the other days. For domestic hot water, when you go back into that zone 1 screen, you would just scroll back down slightly, go into domestic hot water. Again, modes are the same. You can have it on manual or timer control, and on timer control you just want to go to domestic hot water weekly planner and follow exactly the same process there.